Okay, students, now we start with the next topic. First, we saw find the inverse of a matrix by using the adjoint, and the second method to find out the inverse, that is known as the elementary transformation. Find the inverse of a matrix by elementary transformation. So because we already know that the inverse is only possible for a square matrix. So let me suppose that A is a square matrix whose elements are 1, -1, 2 and 3. Then we find out the inverse of this matrix by using the elementary transformation. So let me suppose that A equals to IA, because any matrix multiplied by the unit matrix, then we get the matrix as it is. Then A equals to IA. We write the value of A, IA as it is, and A matrix as it is. Only write the A, not to write the value of matrix. In the elementary transformation are two types. One is the row transformation and another one is the column transformation. So first we start with the row transformation. In case of, if we apply the row transformation, then in whole question we only either interchange the roots or a row multiplied by another a scalar and add to or subtract from the another row or column. And the second option, the operation is always taken in the left hand side as well as the same operation is applied in the right hand side also. So therefore, and the first method to this, like we write A equals to IA. The first part of this question we always write down the element A1 1. This element is unit, that is 1. But in this question, A11 is already 1. Then after this, now we change, write down all the columns of this element. This first column becomes 0 except A11. So how we can change this one is 0. R1 in R2 minus twice of R1. First row multiplied by 2 and subtract from second row. This operation is applied in the left hand side as well as the right hand side. The first row as it is on both the sides. First row multiplied by 2 and subtract from second. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus plus 5. 0 minus 2, minus 2. And 1 as it is. So A11 as 1, now we change the in first column all the remaining elements become 0. After this, now we change A22 as 1. This A22 element as 1. How we can change this one? The second row divide by 5. This second R2 divide by 5. This again, this operation is applied on both the side, left hand side as well as the right hand side. First row as it is, second row divide by 5. 0.5, 5.5 minus 2.5 and 1.5. Now we check A22 becomes 1. After this, now we write down all the element of second row becomes 0 except A22. So how we can become this one 0? So in R1 plus R2. Second row is added in the first row. Then 1, 0, 1 minus 2 by 3, 0 plus 1 by 5. Minus 1 minus 2 by 5 or 0 plus 1 by 5. The second row becomes as it is. So now we check, this becomes the unit matrix and 5 is common, 1 by 5 is LCM, 1 by 5 is common from whole. 5 minus 2, 3, 1 as it is this. So I equals to matrix B multiplied by A. Therefore this matrix B is the inverse of A. Therefore A inverse equals to this whole matrix. So therefore the inverse of A is this. Yes? Again one more question related to 2 by 2. Let me suppose that A is a square matrix whose elements are 2, 3, 5 and 7. Again A equals to IA. A as it is, I is the unit matrix, A as it is. The first part of this question we change the A11 as 1. How we can change A11 as 1? First R1 and R2 rows are interchanged. First row change by second, second change by first row on both the sides. Second row becomes first 5, 7, 0, 1 and first becomes second 2, 3, 1, 0. Then we change, write down A11. How we can change A1 as 1? So in R1 minus 2 times of R2. This row multiply by 2 and subtract from first, then we get the 1. on both the side. 5 minus 4, 7 minus 6, 0 minus 2 and 1 as it is. We check A11 as 1. Now after this, now we change all the element of this first column becomes 0. How we can become this 0? So in R2, R2 minus twice of R1. How we can change this element as 0? So first to multiply by 2 and subtract from second. R2 minus twice of R1. 3 minus 2. 1 minus 1 plus 4 and minus 2. So after this we check A22 as 1, but in this part A22 is again already 1. If A22 is 1, now we change all the element of this column becomes 0. Then in R2, in R1, R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2, 1, 0, minus 2 and minus 5, 1 plus 2, 3. It becomes unit matrix. This one is DA. I equals to negative is common. This. The product of two matrix equals to unit matrix. Therefore, this is the inverse of this. So, what is the inverse? Minus 1, 7, minus 3, minus 5 and 2. This is the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. And one more question related to the inverse of matrix of the order 3 by 3. Let us suppose that A is a square matrix of order 3 by 3 whose elements are 2, minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, minus 2, 2. Again, A equals to IA. A is this, I is the unit matrix, A as it is. By the same condition, first we change A11 as 1. A11. How we can change this element as 1? So in R1, R1 plus R2 minus R3. 2 plus 2, 4 minus 3. 1. Therefore, we apply the operation R1, R1 plus R2 plus R3. First and second to add and subtract from third. Third is subtracted. So minus 3 plus 2 minus 2. Solid. Then we get this part. In R1, R1 plus R2 minus R3. 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 This operation is applied in the first one. So we check A1 becomes A11 becomes 1. After this, now we change all the element of this. All the element of this column becomes 0. So we can change 0. In R2, R2 minus R1. In R3, R3 minus R1. This operation is applied on both the sides. In R2 minus R1, 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 8, minus 5. 0 minus 2. Minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1 and 0 plus 2, 2. Similarly, in R3, R3 minus thrice of R1. In R3, R3 minus thrice of R1, 0. Minus 2 and minus 3 minus 5. 2 minus 12 minus 10 minus 3 minus 3 1 plus 3 4. First accept 1 1 as 1 and all the element of this column becomes 0. Then after this, now we change A22 as 1, this element as 1. How we can change this? So first, second and third row are interchanged. R2 and R3 are interchanged on both the sides. So second row, third row becomes second and second becomes third. Second becomes third and third becomes second by the same. After this, how we can change this one is 1. So in R2, R2 is divided by minus 5. R2 is divided by minus 5. First row as it is, third row as it is. Only second row divided by minus 5. 1, 2, 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5 and minus 4 upon 5. So now we check A22 becomes 1. Now we change all the element of this column becomes 0. A32 is already 0, but A12 is not 0. So how we can become this one 0? In R1, R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2. 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1 and 4 minus 2. 1 minus 3 upon 5, 1 minus 3 upon 5 minus 1 plus 4 upon 5. Yes, A22 becomes 1. And after this, the third part of this, again A33 becomes unit A33 becomes 1. How we can change A33 becomes 1? So R3 divided by minus 1 upon 5. R3 divided by minus, first and second row becomes same. Only third row divided by minus 5. 2 upon 5. 1 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 5. Again A33 becomes 1. Then after this, again we change in third column, remaining elements are 0. So how we can change this one as 0? So first we take the 1 by 5 is common from the right hand side. So you write in the 5. Then after this, how we can change 0 in R1 minus twice of R2, in R3 minus twice of R3. R1 minus twice of R3, 1 0 0, 2 by 5 minus 4 upon 5, 2 minus 2, and then 2 minus, and the second part R2 minus twice of R3, 0, twice of this 3. Then in second row, R2 minus twice of R3, 0, 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1, and minus 4 plus 4, 0. Third row as it is. So I equals to 1 upon 5 this. Again the product of these two matrices is equals to unit matrix. Therefore this is the inverse of A. Yes.